Start first by importing your model. SIwave supports many formats like IPC2581, ODB++, or ANSYS ADB, and other formats. We prefer the first two because they are well known and can be controlled very easily. Once you upload the file, go home and you can now check the stack-up. Make sure that the stack-up is correct. You can also check the circuit elements. Make sure that all the inductors and the capacitors and the resistors are correct and they are all active. If you have anything that you want it to be active. You can also check the pad stack. These are the definitions of the vias. You can check one layer at a time. You can check the traces. You can check the vias. You can check the circuit elements, RLC. You can check components and pads. You can also check planes for power planes. Start by launching the DCIR wizard. Select your power plane you want to analyze and assign voltage source and current source as if you are trying to do DCIR. Configure simulation. So now SIwave will add these power planes to your structure. You can validate, you don't need to do that, you just need to close. Now the setup is ready to use the current AC solver. Specify your band, how many points you want, and launch. Once we have the results, we can plot the currents. If you use the DCIR, you will be able to see the DC current. If you use the AC, you will be able to see the AC current flowing. This is very important. You can look at it at any layer. And the reason why we do that is we would like to know where are the high impedance sections for a specific frequency. So here you can select the frequency that you want and you track where are the high impedance AC section, AC impedance sections. And there is where you need to put your decoupling caps. You can also tell if any decoupling cap is carrying enough current. You can also determine if certain decoupling cap is useful, is doing what it's supposed to be doing, or there are no AC current flowing around that location. So these decoupling caps have no value, no added value. So you can remove them or move them to another location. You can also check and make sure that your AC current, very high AC current value, do not flow at the edges of your power planes. Because if they are, it means there is radiation coming out of there.